Welcome to Harris Academy Tottenham, a new school and a school which is rated outstanding by Ofsted. We are a highly academic school situated in the heart of Tottenham Hale, an ever-transforming and changing area. We are an all-through school, which in reality means that we're two schools in one, with a primary phase feeding into our secondary phase, and an impressive and highly successful academic sixth form, where almost half of our children gain admission to Russell Group universities. We're surrounded by the natural habitat of the Tottenham Marshes and Down Lane Park, but next to a bustling transport hub and thriving new residential sectors and businesses. In this geographic location is a hint of our purpose here as a school, where we want children to enjoy learning and enjoy the growing sense of themselves within an ever-changing community. We have the very highest expectations for all of our pupils, and as a result, we have the highest hopes for their futures as well. Our mission at this school is to furnish your children with choice, so that when they leave us at 18, they have many opportunities open to them and they can choose whichever pathway they wish. We believe that if you choose Harris Tottenham for your son or daughter, you will enjoy a fulfilling relationship with our school and grow in confidence, and that we will nurture all of their talents. Our pupils are safe, our children excel, and our aim is for every single one of our pupils to excel to the fullest extent of their ability. As an explicitly academic school, we value scholarship and subject knowledge amongst our teachers and our leaders, and we reward endeavour amongst every single one of our pupils. Our partnerships with corporate city institutions, universities, the National Theatre, the Royal Ballet School and other artistic institutions allow our pupils to benefit from work experience that is second to none, whether in the virtual world or on the stage itself. Sport too is critical to the success of our school, and we enjoy a burgeoning partnership with a provider of vocational football that allows our pupils to play at the very top level. We aim to be a positive disruptor in society. Developing this knowledge in our staff and students is a way in which we build thriving communities of subject experts, where our teachers have the power to change lives. In this way, the Harris Academy motto, seen all around our building, is exemplified in the way that we lead. We have an unwavering belief in the potential of every child. It's also why our mantra puts excellence and endeavour front and centre with enjoyment. We aim to improve the life chances for all students and our local community in which they live. We begin with the principle that all children are equal, and there is therefore equity of entitlement to knowledge for each of our students and all of their families. The central place of knowledge within our curriculum therefore is explicit. We want children to develop their intellectual curiosity and to grow in appreciation of the laws of physics as much as the doctrine of the world's great religions, to understand how complicated Shakespeare's writing is as much as to see the beauty in a black hole or the interior of an atom. The inventive design of our curriculum and the high-quality implementation of that curriculum are integral to everything that Harris does as a federation. The very nature of our federation makes us collaborative, and this collaboration of subject specialists and researchers means that our students benefit from the very highest quality in teaching and the most powerful knowledge. Our curriculum then becomes a deliberate and explicit guarantor of equality as we work to close the limits to opportunity that exist within our society. We ensure that all our students have access to a broad and balanced body of knowledge, regardless of their starting points.
Hello, my name is Emily Smith and I'm Head of Primary here at Harris Academy Tottenham. We understand that the decision about which school is right for your child can be a difficult one. Our aim at Harris Academy Tottenham is to make children's learning experiences exciting, engaging and memorable, whilst ensuring they are happy and safe at all times. Our curriculum is uniquely designed for children at our academy, taking into consideration pupils' interests and our local community. We also provide opportunities for our pupils to enjoy trips, visits and experiences to provide them a truly unique and relevant education. At Harris Academy Tottenham, we have the unwavering belief in the potential of every child and want to support them to endeavour, enjoy and excel in their learning. We take every opportunity to praise children for demonstrating our core values and love sharing this with families too. We know that learning begins at home, and so working closely with our families is extremely important to us. We will work with you to create a full transition package that suits your child and their needs, enabling them to feel happy and safe within the environment. When Ofsted visited in 2017, they noted our outstanding provision where children are happy and make rapid progress. As the children grow and develop through the years, they have the opportunity to access the wider school resources, including the amazing sports hall and theatre.
My role is to ensure that we have the smoothest possible transition for our children who are coming to us from Year 6 into Year 7. We work closely with all our primary schools to ensure that by the time your children come to us, we know as much about them as possible. We do this through visits, transition meetings and regular contact during the transition process. We also take the time to work with parents too. We have a Year 7 email so parents are able to contact us at any point. If your child has SEN or medical needs, we put in place extra measures to ensure the best possible transition for them. This includes extra visits and attendance at annual reviews. At Harris Academy Tottenham, we pride ourselves on providing a caring, nurturing environment where all our pupils are able to thrive and fulfil their potential.
Everyone's really friendly, the teachers are really nice, and there's a really welcoming atmosphere from the minute that you come in.
First of school, the teachers are very kind and they will help you. And you also have to find friends that will help you through the year.
Is Year 7, you'll build relationships and friends.
I think that different people from different cultures could come to the school and they could feel safe and at home.
So this school promotes diversity very well because everyone is treated equally, no one is biased about anyone.
What I like most about the school is the atmosphere that is created by the teachers and the students.
I would say that this is a very brilliant school. It's very loving. For me, it's the best school.
Thank you for your interest in our school. We cannot wait to meet you in person.